Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will explore Kuta area on 13 November 2021. If you want to know how the situation right there at the moment, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are fine. Okay guys, today I take you a journey in Kuta area. And I will make video around 17 minutes without skip because I just want to show you how the real situation at the moment in Kuta area on Saturday 13 November 2021. Okay guys, our journey today starts from Dewi Sri Street. Now we are in Dewi Sri Street. Usually in this area is very busy in the night time because in this area there is like a lot restaurant and cafe. So that's why during the night time in this area is very busy. But today, even during the day, in this area look busy, isn't it? Because today like Saturday, weekend for Bali. Okay guys, we continue driving in Dewi Sri Street. Left side, right side, there is a lot of hotels and some shop. And during the night time, there is like a restaurant just on the floor. And also they have some live music here. So that's why in the night time in this area is a lot restaurant. Just special for dinner actually. You see how busy this area. There's a lot of car around here, isn't it? Okay guys, as I told you before, today I will make drive around in Kuta area around 17 minutes. So we start from Dewi Sri Street until Sriwijaya Street. And also I will drive in past the Pantai Kuta Street. It's like a street just beside the Kuta beach. Okay guys, so this is the station at the moment in Dewi Sri Street. It looks so busy, isn't it? If I turn left at the front, that is the way to go to Denpasar and Nusa Dua or Sanur. But I will turn right because I will explore Legian Street. And now we are in Patih Jelantik Street. If you see the weather today, it's very beautiful, isn't it? It's very clear, very sunny day. I want to say thank you very much for your support on this channel because you already subscribed my channel. Also you share this video and you watching my video. And if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because I believe there is a lot of people around the world missing Bali. Okay guys, let's back to the main street Patih Jelantik. In this area, there is have some hotel and also some souvenir shop. So usually before the pandemic corona in this area, a lot of people walk around on the sidewalk. But yeah, today in this area still very quiet, isn't it? This area just nearby Legian Street. So that's why before the pandemic corona, there is a lot of people walk around on the sidewalk. They go to the central of Legian. You see right side and left side, there is a lot of shop in this area and also some hotel actually. Okay guys, now we will explore Legian Street, the most famous street in Bali. We turn left to explore Raya Legian Street. Yeah, now we are in Raya Legian Street. Actually, I already explored this area around 2 weeks ago. But we will see together how the situation at the moment in Kuta area after international airport are open a month ago. Yeah, this is Legian Street. Look a bit quiet around here, isn't it? Actually, there is a lot of shop is already open in this area. But so far, this area still a bit quiet. Because as usually on Saturday and Sunday in this area are really busy people. But today it's a bit quiet. And actually I make this video around 2 p.m. The one hotel left side, yeah, also look very quiet. There is not so many car and motorbike drive around today. It's look very quiet, isn't it? And as I told you before, usually in this area there is a lot of people walk around on the sidewalk because in this area there is a lot of hotel and souvenir shop. So that's why there is a lot of people walk around on the sidewalk. But today it still look very quiet, isn't it? Yeah, now we reach the central of Legian. This is the ground zero. And again, in this area also look very quiet. Right side, there is Poppy's line too, but look empty. Okay, we continue driving in Raya Legian Street. And usually in this area will be really busy in the night time because at the central of Legian there is a lot of night bar. And I also already update during the night time in this area for the night bar. You can find the video down this video. Right side, left side, there is some shop is already open actually. But I'm sorry because my camera is not so clear, so you cannot see very clear on the video. And as like before, I always make video without skip because I just want to show you how the real station in Bali. Oh, there is some shop open right side. That's good. Yeah, there is shop is open. Okay guys, at the front, if I turn left, there is the way to go to Denpasar and Nusa Dua, also Sanur. But I will turn right because we will explore Pantai Kuta Street. Yeah, now we are in Pantai Kuta Street. In this area, right side and left side, there is a lot of shop still closed. You see? There is a lot of shop still closed in this area. It's very sad, isn't it? And also on the road, there is not so many people drive around on this road today. Not so many car and motorbike. Just very quiet. Actually today I'm driving around 30 km per hour. Not so fast, not so slow. But there is no one car passing me. I mean like, just very quiet. Okay guys, start from here. It's like I see some shop is already open because it's nearby Kuta Beach. Yeah, you see right side, that is the shop is already open. If I turn left at the front, that is the way to go to the art market. Okay guys, now on Pantai Kuta street it looks busy. There is a lot of car and motorbike drive around in this area. Jamie Olivier right side, the restaurant starting open, and also Hard Rock Cafe. And left side, Grand Inn Hotel. Yeah, you see at the front, there is the main gate to go to Kuta Beach. Actually, the beach is so beautiful today because the weather is very hot. Some taxi parking at the front Hard Rock Cafe. Right side Hard Rock Cafe. And there is a lot of car parking in this area. That is really good. In the right side, there is a lot of big hotel. Heritage Hotel, right side? Yes, there is some car parking there. Another hotel right side? Yeah, that's really good. Really happy to see that actually. Now we continue driving in Pantai Kuta street. Left side, there is a lot motorbike parking. Kuta Seaview Hotel, right side. Yeah, left side, there is a lot motorbike parking. I think will be busy on the beach today. And also in the right side, there is the biggest mall in this area. We call BeachWalk Mall. Always busy on weekend. Let's see together how the situation at the moment in this mall on weekend. You see left side, there is a lot motorbike parking already. Because some people they go to this mall and some people they go to Kuta Beach. You see the car right side? Yeah, there is people go to this mall, BeachWalk Shopping Mall. Look busy, isn't it? You see cars at the front? Yeah, they are go to the BeachWalk Mall. Okay guys, now we continue driving in Pantai Kuta street. Along the way in the right side, there is a lot of hotel and restaurant. And left side, along the way, there is a Kuta beach. You see left side? Yeah, there is some motorbike parking there. They just go to the beach. You see at the front right side? Yeah, there is tourists driving motorbike. That's really good. And also on the left side, there is a lot of car parking. There is a lot of people going to the Kuta beach today. That's so awesome. Yeah, look busy, isn't it? Yeah, but the road is look a bit quiet, I think. There's not so many car drive around this area. It looks like everybody just go to the beach. Right side, there is Pullman Hotel. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment on Pantai Kuta Street. And now we will turn right to explore Melasti Street. Yeah, now we are in Melasti Street. Right side, still Pullman Hotel. And left side, Legian Beach Hotel. Melasti Street also very famous because in this area there is art market and garlic line. You see left side? There is Legian art market just exactly beside the garlic line. Yeah, if I turn left at the front, there is the garlic line. Okay guys, we continue driving in Melasti Street. In this area, right side, there is a lot of hotels and some souvenir shop. Yeah, there is some shop open and some shop also closed. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Melasti Street. So what do you think? Still quiet, isn't it? If I turn left, there is the way to go to Sriwijaya area, but I keep continue driving because we will explore Sriwijaya Street. Still in around Kuta area. In this area there is a lot of hotels and also some souvenir shop. So before the pandemic corona in this area, a lot of people walk around on the sidewalk because this area also nearby Legian Street. Right side there is some shop and left side there is panorama cottage. Yeah, but this area still also look quiet, isn't it? Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in all around Kuta area. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.